Hi, my name is Reverend Dr. Julius Weche. I'm the CEO and founder of the Acad Education Group Africa, an organization that provides mentorship and leadership training for youth for success. We started in the year 2010 when I attended the Harvard Business School conference in Boston, Massachusetts, and as a result of which we now decided to extend the concept of student success and career preparation here to Africa. In Africa, we had to step back because most students didn't seem to understand what this was all about and help them understand how to even start preparing themselves right at the rudimentary stages for success. So we do this through a mentorship model, through a leadership model, and in this leadership model, I choose to stand out as part of one of the mentors and one of the key people who can be able to challenge them to grow. That is why as a person, I'm currently in a PhD program in leadership and management. Before this, I have an MBA, Master's in Business and Administration degree from De Montfort University in the UK. I've done graduate studies in dispute resolution, governance, financial management, mediation, and my undergraduate studies was in veterinary medicine. So I'm very passionate about the success of young people, and it is this kind of success that I would wish to utilize your funding, if it's available, so that I can be able to extend our reach to even more students. We do this through about 5 strategic business units. The first one is motivational talks, where we go to schools. Each school already has about 1,000 to 1,500 students, and we have ability as a team of 3 to 7 or 10 people to be able to go to 2 schools per day. And if we're to go to 2 schools per day, that would be reaching out to 3,000 students per day. And when you calculate that in a month, that can be over 40,000 students. That would be the first thing that we'll be able to do, stimulating interest by giving motivational talks to students on success. But after this, we then have career days in which we're invited to schools and speak to them for a full day on career preparation. We normally come with professionals for this so that they can be able to speak on particular themes like engineering, law, business, and all sorts of things. After that, we then move on forward to what we call career seminars. We've just recently had one in engineering with Kenya Power, the power utility company in Kenya, where we have students sit with us for at least 3 to 4 days. We take them through career preparation details and studies. We help them appreciate the thematic area of interest, which in this case was engineering, and that includes helping the students see what mechanical engineering is about, automotive engineering, for example, electrical engineering, software engineering, and the like. From all this, we now establish who are the most interested students. Having gotten to know what are their gifts, their abilities, their passion, and their calling is, we put them into a mentorship program where we start working on them on a one-on-one. And this is where the stellar success of our program comes in. Those who tend to excel are those who we now encourage to consider taking up their success through applying to top institutions of education like Harvard, Stanford, and all the other top universities. Most of our students get this kind of scholarships. They get a scholarship of about $75,000 a year and above, or slightly below. And we're happy to work with this particular kind of students. We also have gap year programs where we now specifically work with those who have finished school, and we encourage students to also take educational tours. We recently did an educational tour to Harvard University in December 2015. The value of all this is that as our students learn from these experiences, they become leaders in what they're doing. They've learned how to lead themselves, and they learn how to lead others and provide solutions to their community and their society. And as a result of this, other people start emulating them. As a result of this, we have regularly been invited to be on national television, where we're able to speak, and our youth, these particular youth, are able to speak to the nation about their success and what it is that they did. The local television stations here include KBC, KTN, NTV, K24, and these are sending their signal to the 5 East African countries: Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, Rwanda, Burundi, and Southern Sudan, and some to even Somalia. As a result of this, we are able to reach over 1 million students per show, because these particular 5 countries have a population of about 150 million people. So in short, we are able to utilize these funds to reach out to all these nations so that the students can grow in their leadership development, can be able to impact society, and can be able to change the nations for the better. Thank you once again. My name is Reverend Dr. Julius Weche, CEO of the Acad Education